Rebate versus discount. These are commonly used terms in supply chain, in purchase, procurement, and in finance. People mostly confused about the difference between rebate and discount. We shall clarify the differences, what is rebate and how it is differentiated from the term discount. Features, when we talk about the features, first with respect to timing, in case of discount, at the time of purchase, discount is given. But for the case of rebate, rebate is paid after the purchase. So, timing matters. In discount, at the time of purchase, discount is provided, rebate is after the process of purchase. Benefit, second, benefit with respect to benefit. In case of discount, instant price reduction, at the spot price is reduced. But in case of rebate, money back later, it can be 1 month, 2 month, it can be week after the execution of purchase process. Third, process. With respect to process, in case of discount, it is automatically benefit is given to buyer. But in case of rebate, it requires claim or applications to get the discount or get the favor or return money. So, in the case of process, for discount it is automatically, while in case of rebate it requires claim or application process. Fourth feature is buyer payment. In case of discount, the term is used lower upfront cost. For the case of rebate, the term is used full price upfront. What is different, or what is difference between these terms, lower upfront cost and full price upfront cost in case of rebate and discount? Lower upfront cost, the buyers pay only a portion of total price initially, while full price upfront cost, the buyer pays 100% of total cost at the beginning. So, for the lower upfront cost in case of discount, the rest is paid over the time, for example, through installment, credit terms, or after the delivery. But in case of rebate, full price upfront cost, no future payment or credit, entire payment is made before delivery or production. So third is often used to make deal more attractive and reduce the buyer's immediate cash burden. So for the case of rebate, gives seller immediate cash and often comes with a better terms or discount. When we discuss the more clarify in case of difference with example, for example, in case of discount, total price of item is 10,000, lower upfront cost will be 30%, it may be 20%, it may be 10%, and now and 7,000 will be later. But this is the case of discount. But in case of rebate, for example, total price is $10,000, full price upfront, the buyer pay $10,000 immediately. So no discount at the time. At the initially, buyer have to pay full amount. This is the difference between lower upfront cost for the case of discount and full price upfront cost for the case of rebate. I hope your concept about the discount and rebate would be very clear. See you in next lecture with another topic. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.